Mr. Hevel is measuring out a sample of,
Oh, we are.
well, he's measuring out a sample one trial. This is sample one.
Okay, so we have an unknown acid. Okay, it's a dry powder.
Uh-huh.
And what you're trying to determine here is the molar mass of this acid. All right, let me tell you right now, it's impossible to figure out who the acid is. Okay, there's a zillion different acids we could use.
Yep.
Sometimes I have people come and say, I know what the acid is. Yeah, I don't think so. So you don't care about that. You're just trying to come up with a molar mass. Okay, so same thing we did before. We'll try to get it to dissolve.
So, Mr. Hevel, you and I have already done a fast and sloppy trial of this one,
Yes.
so we have an idea of how much it takes, and we didn't bother showing or putting it on the camera just so it would save time.
Yes. So we're going to have hopefully 2 good trials that you would use as part of your calculation.
Well, if you're doing them, we know they'll be good.
Well, I'm glad you have faith.
Of course.
Now, sometimes I have students get confused. Roles have been reversed now. So after you've done part 1 of the lab, remember you know the molarity of this NaOH. You calculated it. You standardized it. This is the same NaOH. Now the game is you're trying to figure out the molar mass of this unknown acid that we're dissolving. That's confusing. I have people get every year, it's confusing because you're doing 2 different titrations, 2 different purposes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Mr.
No,
Moore,
that looks good. I've looked at it already. It's fine.
Here we go. Phenolphthalein. All right, so you said about 3.5-ish, right?
I've forgotten already.
I think it was that, about that. Whoa, thought it was going to stay that
Yep.
time. Okay. Oh, did it disappear?
I think there's a little bit of pink in there still.
Wow, that's tough.
Yeah, I mean, if a student asks me my opinion, okay, is there pink in there or not? So I tell them, we'll get the volume and then add 1 more drop and see.
Yeah.
Like if it turns to a brilliant pink color, then you were at the end. It looks like it has swirled away though.
Yeah.
In this case, if you go 1 more drop,
Okay,
I think
let's try one more.
that's going to do. Oh, that was fast.
Well, it's quicker than I wanted it. Okay, there it is,
That's
though.
it. Yep. Okay. Okay, so we had the mass of this unknown acid, and we have, and I don't know if we put the camera on it, the volume was 0.00 at the beginning of this trial.
We had
Yeah,
set that before
Yep.
we did our fast and sloppy, and then we refilled it, and you set
Right,
it right to
yeah.
0.00. We didn't show that, but we did it.
Mm-hmm.
Chemists never make mistakes. So. Trust us.
Oh, you can trust us.
You can trust us. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to play the same game. I'm gonna have to weigh out a sample here. Or unknown acid. trying to get about the same amount. Oop, jumped up on there. That's pretty close, I think, to what we had before.
It looks like it, yeah. There's our trial 2 mass.
Yep.
So now this time we did not refill the burette. So what it was at the end of trial 1, it is now at the beginning of trial 2.
Okay, a little bit of water. And I'll emphasize this one more time because I always have people ask, the volume of water we use here makes no difference at all.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because no time in this experiment do we ask for the concentration of the acid. It's not about what the concentration is.
Right.
It's what the molar mass is.
That's right.
So that we don't need what the volume is.
Yeah, it's how many moles of acid are in here. That's what's important. I think I still see some specks, Mr.
That's good. That's fine.
Okay. All right, so that last time was just about 3.5, so here we go. Run it down.
We hope this
to-
is our second and final
Yeah.
trial.
I'm gonna run it quick down to 6. Okay, now I'm gonna try to go carefully. Oop, that wasn't careful.
There was,
Done.
that was a splash instead of a drop.
It's pretty light pink though. It went away.
Yeah,
Well, I
oh,
got
okay,
lucky
okay.
there.
Yeah, that was good.
I got lucky there, you guys.
All right, now you're gonna go extra slow.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. We're close. That may be it. Yep, that is it.
Okay.
That is our titration technique. We want to go to the point where just one drop makes it change to that staying pink color. The glare is terrible.
Oh.
Yep, you see it. And the volume.
Here we go.
Just short of the 7. It's gonna be 6 point something. Okay.
All right, so everybody understands the drill. I want to know the molar mass of this mystery acid. Remember, this will help you figure out how many moles of acid
Mm-hmm.
are present.
And we need molar mass.
Yep. Have a good day.